Did you know that converting Arabic numerals to Roman numerals is a task which is interestingly simple? Welcome to today's lesson where we are looking at converting Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. First things first, for you to be able to convert Arabic numerals to Roman numerals, let's look at the 7 basic Roman symbols and their values. Firstly, you have I. I is 1. Secondly, you have the symbol V, which is equal to 5 in Arabic numerals. Thirdly, you have X in Roman numerals, which is equal to 10 in Arabic numerals. Fourthly, you have L, which is equal to 50 in Arabic numerals. You have C, which is equal to 100 in Arabic numerals. You have D, which is equal to 500 in Arabic numerals. And you have M, which is equal to 1000 in Arabic numerals. With those figures in mind, let's answer the questions. The main question says, convert the Arabic numerals below to Roman numerals. Convert the Arabic numerals below to Roman numerals. We begin with our first question, which is telling us to convert 61 to Roman numerals. Now, just a reminder, the 7 basic symbols, the reason why we have to remember them is because those 7 basic symbols of Roman numerals are the ones which you can use to make or form every other non-Roman numeral. So if you remember them, then you can combine them or put them together for you to be able to come up with any Roman numeral of your choice. That's why we have to be able to remember it. So since we're able to see it on the screen, let's see if it's able to help us to solve these 5 simple questions which we have. So 61 there. If we look at our basic symbols, we have X, I1, V5, X10. Then we have L50. So how can we come up with a 60? All right. So to come up with a 60, at least since we're using these basic symbols to use, we can get a 50 there. Then we can add it to, what else can we use? What else? A 10 for X there. And then we can get a 1 there too. So if you add 50 plus 10 plus 1, should be able to give us 61. So 50 is L, 10 is X, 1 is I. That's the Roman numeral. 61 in Roman numeral is LX1. 17, pardon me. Question number 2 is looking at 17. How do you write 17 in Roman numeral? Okay, 17 in Roman numeral is, what can we use? Okay, we can use X, which is a 10, plus what can we add to it to come up with 17, plus a 5, plus a 1, plus another 1. So we are looking at X, that is V11. So that should be able to give us our answer. So it's just XV11, that is 17. 314, convert 314 to Roman numerals. All right, so 314. All right, so here we can work with the 100. We can make groups of hundreds. up to 300. So we can say maybe 100 plus 100 plus 100. Since we don't have, among the basic symbols, we don't have a 300. So we have to come up with a 300 using any of these. And the best and easiest we can use to come up with a 300 is the C, which is 100. So at least you make 3 groups of 100 plus, let's now make a 14. A 14, we can use a 10 there. And then we can add a 4. So 4 in Roman numeral is, okay, 4 in that way. Having done this, let's now write whatever we have put there. Let's represent them using the Roman symbols. So 100 is C, another C, then that's X, then 4 in Roman numeral is IV. So our answer is CCC XIV. That's our answer. Let's go to 400. 400. How do we come up with a 400? A 400. So to have a 400, we need to come up with a 400 first. So we need a 400 plus a 10 and another 10 to give us a 420. So how do we make a 400? So a 400 will start with our C there, we'll get C, and then we'll get a 500, which is a D there. What does this mean? CD. CD. C is a lower value digit, which is at the left of the higher value digit. So what this means is subtract the value of C from the value of 4 and it will give you the overall value of CD together. So since D is 500, it means subtract the value of C from this. And the value of CD is 400. So CD represents 400 plus, okay, let's not show the plus there, but let's just say plus the X and another X. So what we're saying is 420 in Roman numerals, we're looking at CDXX. Lastly, let's wrap it up with question number 5. Question number 5 says, convert 1345 to Roman numerals. Okay, so they were able to see 1000. So we need to add 1000 to 300. Oh, pardon me. 1000 to 300. And then we need 40. Then we need a 5. So what is 1000? 1000 is M there. 300. Since there is no 300, so you make up 300 by adding 3 sets. Since we don't have a single 100 to come up with 100, we are going to add C, C, C. So 100, 100, 100 makes up 300. Then 40 is XL. Then 5 is that. So 1345 in Roman numerals is MCCCXLV. That becomes our answer. You do this, you would have converted. Very simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching and for following through. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your comment will also be very, very valid and helpful.